Hi, my name is Alana and I just want to do a quick video about how to get started really quick. So the first thing is think about what moral value that you want to teach. Look for a book that is featured with that moral value. Then look at the age, recommended age level below. There are ranges and you don't have to stick to them, but I would recommend, at least being conscious of whether or not this book is catered more for the older or the younger. Then you just need to go find the book. I've linked all the Amazon links on the pages, or they're also usually available at the local library. The next thing I would recommend is to kind of skim through the discussion questions and also the activity recommendations ahead of time, just so that you don't have a reason that you would need to pause your time together with your child. If you're reading and you're constantly pausing and looking at your phone, okay, like what should I ask here? And there's all these unnecessary pauses, the kids are going to lose interest really quick. As well as if you get to the activity and you're like, okay, let's do this. Oops, we need paper and crayons. And then you're looking for, through the house for paper and crayons. Your kids are just going to lose interest. So just like 1 to 2 minutes of preparation can go a long ways for keeping your children engaged during the activity. You can also decide, what you want to nix and what you want to add to make it more better for your family. The last little tip that I have to not forget any of the questions is I like to write them on little post-it notes and then just stick those post-it notes on the pages where I'm going to ask them. So like, for example, I'm reading this story, and then I get to this page, and after this page I want to ask this question, what do you want? And I can even, turn the page and really quick take this off so the kids don't see it, but that way I'm not stuck looking at my phone. I can stay in the story, and the kids don't even notice if you kind of really quickly take it off, or even if you leave it there and kind of put your hand in front of it. It will just help you stay engaged with the story without having to come out of it to ask those questions. So those are my quick tips for getting started, and I hope that this is easy for you to use. Thanks!